Welcome back to another episode of the WP Week, your go-to source for the latest updates in the world of WordPress and web security. We have a lineup of exciting news and insights to keep you informed. Let's dive right into the updates you need to stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of WordPress and web technologies. Today's episode is sponsored by OmniSend, a top-rated email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce, helps you boost sales effortlessly. InMotion Hosting, a scalable web hosting and server solutions provider. And Kinsta, the top-rated managed WordPress host on G2 with a 4.85 rating. Welcome to the WP Week podcast, your go-to source for the latest news, insights, and updates from the world of WordPress and beyond. Today, we have a jam-packed session covering everything from legal battles to product updates, community highlights, and new launches. Let's dive right in. Michael Willman, CEO of Redev and moderator of the popular r/WP drama subreddit, has filed a motion to intervene in the ongoing lawsuit between WP Engine and Automatic. In his motion, Willman claims that the feud between Automatic and WP Engine has caused him substantial harm, including financial losses, panic attacks, depressive episodes, and damage to his reputation. He alleges that Matt Mullenweg's actions have exacerbated the situation. Willman has asked the court to establish a 7-member WordPress governance oversight board tasked with overseeing the WordPress Foundation, WordPress.org, and related entities. The outcome of this motion could have significant implications, potentially allowing others who have been banned by Mullenweg to join the lawsuit and may reduce Mullenweg's influence over WordPress. In a related development, Matt Mullenweg has expressed concerns about the ongoing legal battles surrounding Automatic, suggesting that these lawsuits could bankrupt him or force the closure of WordPress.org. Mullenweg's comments were made in response to WooCommerce developer Rodolfo Malogli's open letter. Meanwhile, attention has turned to the founding documents of the WordPress Foundation. A user on X, known as SneakyTits85, recently pointed out that when the foundation was established, Mullenweg stated that the repository at WordPress.org was intended to be controlled by the foundation. This has stirred conversations within the community about governance and ownership of key WordPress assets. In lighter news, the WordPress community team has announced its new representatives for 2025. Aditya Kane, Pooja Darashri, and Kasirye Arthur will join Shusei Toda in serving as community reps. Toda is entering his second year in this role, continuing his commitment to the WordPress community. As the WordPress ecosystem faces internal challenges, some users are looking for alternatives. A notable option that has emerged is Drupal CMS 1.0, which was officially launched on January 15, 2025. This new release, marking Drupal's 24th anniversary, could serve as a viable migration path for users exploring other content management systems amidst WordPress's current turmoil. In plugin updates, WooCommerce 9.6 has introduced several new features, including the integration of the brand's plugin into the core, improvements to the product summary block, and updates to the API. A key update is the introduction of a gated option that enables the caching of raw order data within the HPOS data store layer. WooCommerce 9.6 also introduces a coming soon mode by default for fresh installations, aiming to make it easier for new stores to get up and running smoothly. There are also updates for developers, including changes to the product review form template and block checkout field entities. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has ordered GoDaddy to address security vulnerabilities in its web hosting services. The FTC's action comes after an investigation revealed that GoDaddy failed to implement basic security measures, including HTTPS APIs and multi-factor authentication, to protect its customers' data from attacks since 2018. Gravatar has also made headlines by offering free custom domains to users for 1 year. These custom domains can be used anywhere, including as Blue Sky usernames, providing more flexibility for users looking to enhance their online presence. In cybersecurity news, researchers have uncovered a new tactic being used by cybercriminals to evade detection through credit card skimmers targeting WordPress e-commerce checkout pages. These skimmers inject malicious JavaScript code into database tables associated with WordPress, which allows them to bypass traditional security measures. In business news, Group 1 has acquired GTMetrix, a widely trusted tool for website performance testing. The acquisition signals Group 1's commitment to expanding its portfolio of web services. Additionally, Alexander Samokin has announced that DioThemes is open to acquisition, offering the brand's source code, domain, social accounts, and other assets. Google has made several key changes, including the retirement of its Web Vitals Chrome extension. The company has integrated all of Web Vitals features into Chrome's DevTools, making it the go-to tool for web performance analysis. Another notable change is Google's decision to require JavaScript to block bots and scrapers, a move that impacts SEO tools. Additionally, Google has rejected the European Union's request to implement fact-checking in its search results and YouTube videos, defying new EU regulations aimed at combating disinformation. Finally, the .ai domain has successfully migrated to the Identity Digital Registrar, promising greater reliability and security for those using this unique domain extension. On the community side, WordCamp Asia 2025, set to take place in Manila from February 2022, has announced its scholarship recipients. Zeel Thakkar and Pooja Darashri won the Kim Parcell Scholarship, while Makaran G. Mane and Asta Jain won the Diversity Fund Scholarship. These scholarships will provide financial support for travel, accommodation, and event tickets for the selected attendees, enabling them to participate in this major WordPress event. In a significant announcement, Matt Mullenweg revealed that the new White House website is powered by WordPress. The site is hosted on WordPress VIP, marking a notable achievement for the platform in terms of its scalability and security. Ryan Duff has stirred discussions regarding Jetpack and its role in data collection, particularly referencing a situation where Matt Mullenweg allegedly rejected Morten Rand Hendrickson's proposal to introduce opt-in telemetry for gathering anonymized WordPress usage data. Kevin Geary also weighed in on a pressing issue regarding WordPress, the inability to sort child posts by publish date. Geary noted that when using the date filter, the child post hierarchy disappears, which makes it difficult to distinguish between parent and child posts. In response, Mullenweg remarked, "Patches welcome," encouraging the community to contribute solutions. Geary has also outlined 3 significant issues in WordPress: the over-reliance on plugins, the investment in the block editor experiment, and the need for a unified design framework. He suggests that addressing these issues could involve integrating basic SEO controls, creating custom tables, and developing a consistent UI/UX across WordPress. Human Made has been officially recognized as a living wage employer. This certification is a testament to the company's commitment to providing fair wages to its employees, something it has adhered to for some time. In accessibility, a recent audit by Equalize Digital identified 255 unique accessibility issues on WordPress sites, with insufficient color contrast and status messages not being announced as being among the most common problems. These findings highlight the ongoing need for improvements in web accessibility. Several new WordPress projects and products have been launched recently. James Welby's has introduced the Repo plugin, which allows users to search and install WordPress plugins hosted on GitHub. The plugin is still in its early stages, and Welby's is looking for contributors to help refine its functionality. Robert DeVore has released the Broken Image Scanner plugin, designed to help users identify and fix broken image URLs across all public content types on WordPress sites. DeVore also offers security audits for WordPress users looking to strengthen their site security. Ollie Pro has launched a new pattern collection, Agency, which is designed for startups, agencies, and creative professionals. This collection aims to offer bold and modern patterns that align with current web design trends. Green Geeks has introduced an AI-powered website builder that promises to help users create a WordPress site in under a minute. This tool could significantly reduce the time and effort required to build a new website. Ben Townsend has also launched a new YouTube channel, Ecom with Ben, focusing on WooCommerce and eventually expanding to other e-commerce platforms. Townsend's goal is to help users maximize their online store's potential. In podcasting, Bob WP celebrated 7 years of Do the Woo, while Steve Burge launched the Publish Press podcast. Nathan Wrigley and Mark Westgard introduced The Nice Show on WP Builds. That's all the big news for this week. Thanks for listening to the WP Week podcast, sponsored by InMotion Hosting, Kinsta, and Omnisend. We'll be back next week with more news and updates. Till then, stay safe and keep your WordPress sites secure and up to date.